Good morning to one and all. Our next topic is about evidences of evolution. Science 2, chapter number 1, hereditary evolution. In this topic, we cover the several evidences given by scientists in the textbook. On the page number 4, first evidence about the evolution about morphological evidences. Morphological means study of external character. Study of external character is called as morphology. In a textbook, diagram is given. This diagram shows that 3 animals and 3 plant pictures. These 3 animals having the common features like the presence of body hair, they have the 2 eyes, nose and ears. These characteristic features shows that the animals might be evolved from the common ancestor. Similarly, the 3 pictures of plant shows that the plant has the same feature like the presence of leaf petiole, leaf lamina, fruits and flower. This again indicate that all the plants might be evolved from the common ancestor. Okay, they advocate toward the point that common ancestry. Common ancestry. Topic number 2, anatomical evidences. Anatomical evidences. Anatomy means study of internal organs. Study of internal organs. In your textbook, some examples are given with the help of a diagram. Okay. Example number 1 is a human hand. Human hand. Cat 4 leg. Cat 4 leg. Flipper of well and bat patagium. The structure of the animals, organs given in a textbook. Example: human hand, cat 4 leg, flipper of whale and bat patagium. They have nothing in common. All the structure have a different type of function. For example, human hand for different purpose. You know that. Cat 4 leg for walking purpose, flipper of whale for swimming purpose, and bat patagium for the flying purpose. But these all structure of bone, they look similar, because when we keenly observe the structure of bone, you've seen that the arrangement of bone is near about same, but they show the different functions. These evidences advocate toward the point that all the animals might be evolved from the common type of ancestors. Okay. Now next topic is about vestigial organ. Vestigial organ. Vestigial means functionless or non-functional. Functionless or non-functional organ. In a textbook, the several examples are given, but a very simple example is that appendix. Appendix is an organ in human body which do nothing, having no function. But appendix is a function in a several type of animal. Example, ruminants. Ruminants means a simple example of grass-eating animals. They are having the well-developed appendix for digestion of cellulose. For digestion of cellulose. The example indicate that the appendix might be a non-function in a human body, but it is a very well function in a ruminants. Example number 2, wisdom teeth. It is simply called in Hindi or Marathi में अक्कल दाढ़. This teeth is no use for chewing purpose. Okay, but they have in a body functionless organ. Example number third, coccyx, also called as tailbone. In human being, coccyx is made up of 4 type of fused vertebrae. Okay, it is underdeveloped, not fully developed, and called as a vestigial organ, tailbone. But in some animal like monkey, this tailbone is very well developed, okay, and adapted for the balancing organ. It is well developed in some animal, but might be not developed in some animal. This indicates that coccyx is the vestigial organ in the human body. This example advocates the point that vestigial organ may be present in some animal as a functionless, but in some animal they have some certain functions. So this is right here about topic for 2 to 3 mark for short note. Might be asked in examination for short note 2 to 3 mark. This is very important with the example. Number 4 topic about paleontological evidences.